Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create and save custom motion blur presets in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, apply the transform effect to the clip to add motion blur. Next, go to the Effects Controls panel and adjust the shutter angle to add motion blur. Uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and increase the shutter angle to 180 degrees. Animate your clip by setting keyframes for the scale property. Click the stopwatch icon next to the scale. Create the first keyframe at 100% scale, then move the playhead 10 frames forward to create a motion and set the scale to 250%. Highlight the keyframes and right-click. Choose Ease In. Expand the arrow under the scale and look closer at the area next to your keyframes. Pull the left circle down towards the other. Then pull on the right circle and do the same thing until it forms a nice rounded peak. Once you're happy with the settings, right-click on the transform effect in the Effects Controls panel and select Save Preset. Name your preset and click Oklahoma to save it. To use your custom preset, drag it from the presets folder in the effects panel onto any other clip on your timeline. Your motion blur settings will be applied automatically. And that's how you create and use custom motion blur presets in Adobe Premiere Pro.